Here we have a quadrilateral where 4 sides are given and only one of the angles is known. And we're trying to find the area of it. Instead of finding the area of the quadrilateral, what I want to do is divide this quadrilateral, the 4-sided figure, into 2 triangles and find the area of the triangles and then add it up to get the area of the quadrilateral. So let's begin by drawing a line right here to separate the quadrilateral into 2 triangles. And we'll start by finding the area of the triangle on the top. And in order to do that, I need to know all 3 sides. We know 2 of the sides, but the third side we don't know. So we'll go ahead and call it C. And let's go ahead and find the value of C, and then we'll go from there. To find C, we're going to be using the law of cosine. Law of cosine says that C squared, meaning the side that we're trying to find, equals A squared plus B squared. A is going to be the 5. We'll let B be 6, or you could go the other way around. What's important is that A and B are the 2 known sides. Minus 2 times A times B times cosine of C, where C is going to be the angle opposite of the side that we're trying to find, or the angle that's between the 2 known sides. So let's go ahead and plug in the numbers. A squared will be 5 squared. B squared will be 6 squared. And then lastly, we have that cosine of 100 degrees. If we plug in the right side of the equal sign in the calculator, we get 71.4. To find C, we'll go ahead and take the square root, where C will equal plus minus 8.45. However, since C is side of a triangle and side of a triangle cannot be negative, we're going to be using just the positive value. So there you go, folks. We found the value of C as 8.45. Now, we have 3 sides of the triangle. To find the area of the triangle, we're going to be using the Heron's formula, where the formula says area of a triangle is square root of S, where S, this is the important part, is A plus B plus C, the 3 sides of a triangle added up, or the sum of the 3 sides divided by 2. Once you find C, we plug it in here, where the area will be square root of S times S minus A, where again A is going to be one of the sides of the triangle, times S minus B, S minus C. So let's go ahead and find the S of this upper triangle, and then we'll plug it into the formula, where S is going to be 5 plus 6 plus 8.45 all over 2, which is 9.725. Now that we have the value of S, let's go ahead and plug it into the Heron's formula to find the area of that triangle on the top. Area will equal 9.725, the S that we just found, 9.725 minus A, which will be 5, and then lastly 9.725 minus C, or 8.45. If you plug this in the calculator, you'll get the area of the upper triangle as 14.77, approximate, or rounded off to 2 decimal places. Now that we found the area of the top, let's go ahead and find the area of the bottom, which will be quicker since we know the third side of the bottom triangle. All we have to do is plug in those numbers find the S, and then use the Heron's formula to find the area of that. Now let's go ahead and find the area of this bottom triangle, where once again the third side is 8.45 as we had found earlier. Let's go ahead and find the value of S, go from there. Where S will be, add up the three sides and divide it by 2. And if you do that on the calculator, it'll come out to be 11.725. Now that we have the value of S, we'll put it in to the Heron's formula along with the sides of 8, 7, and 8.45. Where the area will be square root of, starting with the S, the 11.725 times S minus A, or 11.725 minus 8, where the third one is going to be 11.725 minus 8.45. Once again, plug this in the calculator, where it gives you the area as 26, I meant to say, 26, rounded off to whole number. So there you go. So the area of the second triangle, or triangle on the bottom, is 26, along with the area of 14.77 for the triangle on the top. Then, combining the area of the triangle on the top and the bottom, we get 40.77 as the area of the original quadrilateral. So hopefully from this video, from this lesson, you're able to learn the law of sine in order to find the third side of a triangle when you're given side angle side. And given three sides of a triangle, you're always able to find the area of it using the Heron's formula.